There you go. It's 6th of August. We're back at the lockup, aren't we, Obi? And today, yep, we're back. We're going to be fitting a lower seat base onto the swivel, so Elaine's feet can touch the floor. Here we go. Well, there are the fixings now out of the swivel seat base that connects to the lower main seat base. So I'm just going to lift the seat off now and take out the standard seat base. There you go, seat's off. Now I've just got to take out the standard seat base, fit the lowered seat base, and we're all good to go. Put the seat back on and Bob's your uncle. Well, there you go, seat base out. Now down there, seat there, waiting to go back in. I'm just going to go and unbox the new seat base and we'll fit that. The new lowered seat base unboxed. Come from Magnum Motorhomes. Not sponsored or anything at all. So we're going to fit that in now and get it all back together and seeing if Elaine's feet can touch the floor. So the seat, the lowered seat base, back on the CTA swivel. Seat fixed back on. And it is, I've just sat in it and it is quite a bit lower than the other side. So fingers crossed Elaine will be happy with that, and it still does its swiveling business. So all is good.
Have I got to make sure I can fit then?
Yeah.
What, that
feet.
I can fit, or that my
feet touch the floor.
Oh.
So this is the new lowered van seat base.
Oh my god!
Does it come for you?
That's lovely. Look.
Better? Yay!
That's brilliant.
Well done.
And I'm not looking through the rain square.
No. What about if we spin the seat round? How does it look at the other side? There we go.
Well, you can't.
Span round and feet are okay.
Brilliant. Good job, William.
Well, that's the roar of the diesel heater working again. Not done many videos lately and I'll apologise for that. We've had 2 lovely weeks doing the NC500 and we've just come back from a week in Cornwall, and the diesel heater decided to pack up. So I ordered a new glow plug because it was an E3 error. Replaced the glow plug and I'm still getting the E3 error, and it turns out it was a MOSFET, that little black thing there on this control board, that wasn't sending the signal to the glow plug. So there's nothing wrong with the original glow plug. So I fitted a new one and the old one is a spare. So I've just fitted this new board. It's a fairly simple job to do. And the diesel heater is pumping out heat again, lovely. So there's a little quick update, and we'll do some more videos soon. There's a few more little things to finish on the van, and then I'm sure we'll do a van tour video. See you all soon.